This video will walk you through how to navigate your class list and view student roster details within the faculty self-service dashboard in Experience. To get started, navigate to Experience and find the faculty self-service card. On the dashboard, select Class List under Rosters. If you do not immediately see your course, you can use the Term Filter dropdown to select your active academic term. Selecting a course title displays helpful catalog details, prerequisites, and restrictions. Selecting the blue CRN link will pull up specific class section details, including scheduled meeting times and bookstore links. To open your full student roster, find your course and select the number listed in the Enrollment Count column. This count does not look like a traditional link, but selecting it is the button that opens your class roster page. Once open, you can hold your cursor over any student's name to display an expanded profile card and a larger student photo. To view expanded details for all students at once, go to the top right dropdown and change Summary View to Detail View. Want a printed version of your class roster? Select students by using the checkboxes to the left of each student, or select all students at once with the top left checkbox. Once your students are selected, select the Export button in the top right corner to download your Excel spreadsheet. Be aware, this file contains all active roster text data and does not include student photos. Note, to print a high-quality photo roster, it is best to limit your data columns to only essential fields, so the paper copy remains highly readable. Select the Select All drop-down menu on the right side of the roster to toggle off extra columns, leaving only essential fields like ID checked. Next, select the Print button in the top right. A print preview window will launch, displaying a clean layout of student photos and information. Simply select Print once more to send it to your office printer. Questions? For help with the faculty self-service dashboard, email ftdc@olemiss.edu. Call 662-915-7918 or visit the support page online, olemiss.edu/FTDC.